gluten-free, silky smooth white bechamel sauce made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make a gluten-free white sauce. Now I've been encouraged by a chef friend of mine in Australia to make this sauce this way, so I'm going to show you how to make it. It's dead easy, dead simple. Let's do it. Okay, so all we've got to do is tip our milk in there. This is ridiculously so simple. We want 4 tablespoons of cornflour, a little bit of black pepper. Now pepper to taste. I like pepper in my white sauce, but you know, individual taste. A little bit of salt, and we want some nutmeg. Pinch of nutmeg in there. And then all we do is whisk that up to dissolve all that corn flour. So once you think you've got it whisked up and lump free, we want to be on with a pan. Now if you like that little bit of a butter element like I do, get some butter in. Give it a little stir around, don't want to burn it. So just melt your butter nice and gently, and then we're going to add our flour mix. And then all we're going to do is just tip that in there. And then all we're going to do is just keep whisking it until it thickens up. It's just as easy as that. And that, turn off the flame. That is one thick bechamel sauce, lump free, made. How easy is that? White bechamel sauce made. Now you can thin this down by adding a little bit more milk if you want. So, you know, you don't have to have it as thick as this, but you know, this is ready to go in lasagna or anything. That is fantastic. White bechamel gluten-free sauce made. So there we have it, you know. That is a thick, white, gluten-free, silky smooth, white bechamel sauce made. Now this you can make a couple of days in advance if you want, or you use it fresh. Now if you're going to make it in advance, it's a bit hot under this bowl. If you're going to make it, if you're going to make the sauce in advance, you know, you can put it in a bottle. You can store it in a bottle, put it in the fridge. Or if you're going to use it later, you can make it up and you can put some plastic wrap over to stop it from having a skin on. So that's it, gluten-free white bechamel sauce made. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.